Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com coin and the crypto markets as a whole. There are some big moves that I'm going to be making this week really aggressively, and also you may be wondering, well, when is moon time for crypto? We're going to talk a little bit more about that in this video because it is actually a really tough day. We're going to look at the crypto markets. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on in these markets. Tough day today. We are going into a new week tomorrow. It is currently Sunday night and Monday is right around the corner. By the way, the FOMC meeting's coming up on September 21st, where the Fed will be announcing whether they're going to be raising the interest rates to combat inflation further. Maybe a 1% rate hike coming up. So big week. Let's get into it. Let's talk about that more in today's video. If you guys like the content, smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel. By the way, we're doing a $1,000 worth of Bitcoin giveaway when we hit 10,000 subscribers, and we are a quarter of the way there almost, so make sure you don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel to enter this giveaway. Let's hop into the content. Let's take a peek here at the charts to start the day. Crypto under $1 trillion, almost below $900 trillion. Bitcoin took quite a tumble today. Actually went as low $19,000. Ethereum is down massively over the last 7 days. But what happened? It's the Ethereum upgrade. It's down 23% over the last 7 days, which is not what a lot of people were expecting. I was calling it out. I will say we were right about this. I called it out in a video. If you don't believe me, check it out. I'll link the video for you right here. But we said that Ethereum could and should probably do a buy the rumor, sell the news event where it kind of hypes up leading up to the merge and then afterwards it crashes. That kind of what happened. But what's my big plan? What are the big moves coming, in these markets? Well, I'm planning on doubling down on my purchasing. I've been buying consistently. I've been dollar cost averaging like we've talked about on the channel, but I anticipate to continue to do that and do so even more with any additional money that I can come up with, because I really do believe that the 2024-2025 bull run is going to be just like any other one where Bitcoin halving comes around and we're going to pump up. We should get a minimum 2x, maximum 10, a maximum ceiling. Let's keep the maximum at a ceiling price, but a minimum 2x from the peaks. I think a 5x is easy from the previous peaks on any coin you look at, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. But that's the plan, right? We're trying to buy as much Bitcoin, much Ethereum, much Cronos, Crypto.com coin, a much FTX, Binance, right? Anything that we can. Well, why am I so bullish? Well, let's talk about what's going on here a little bit for everybody out there that is just kind of watching the crypto market. So institutions are still wait and see with Ethereum. This is a CoinDesk article, and that's the truth, guys, because right now, there are some institutions that are adopting crypto, but they're not fully adopting it yet. Now, the Bitcoin halving is coming up, and the Ethereum merge is now complete. But big investors still seem to like Bitcoin more. We're waiting to see what happens with this merge. It's just complete, and the next bull run, I think that's going to be a driving factor for it. So as people are still hesitant, this is the time to be buying because it is still the accumulation phase. So that's one thing. Another thing, remember, one of the biggest investors out there, BlackRock, created the BlackRock Trust for Bitcoin. So they're getting bigger and they're becoming more of a player in the crypto space. So this is very, very bullish as well. A lot of people are forgetting this. We're in a bear market, but there's still a lot of bullish factors out there. I'm so excited for the next bull run, and I'm so excited that we have a year and a half, about 2 years maybe, before we start really climbing back up. And these are the times to buy. And as the markets are going down today, Bitcoin's at 1,300. Ooh, my mouth is watering. I cannot believe that I get another opportunity to buy Ethereum. I would be even more excited if it went below $1,000. I would be very, very excited. If Cronos went below 10 cents, I'd be very excited to pick up, buy the dip, and wait, because I know that bull run will be coming at some point. Another thing I wanted to mention for Crypto.com specifically, if the markets are going down today, we know, or at least we believe, that there should be some kind of price move from the FIFA World Cup. That could be a good, buy the rumor, sell the news event. So leading up to this, keep an eye out. Cronos might be going up if you're looking to desync into Cronos. Typically October, November, December are bullish for crypto. That's a good thing. Plus, add in the FIFA World Cup event. That's going to be very, very bullish for Cronos as well, because it is the exclusive crypto sponsor for this worldwide event where we have over 50 billion eyes that are going to be on it. By the way, somebody asked me a question in the chat, and I want to call it out. Somebody asked me, well, what if every single person, 50 billion users, and I think they said what if 10% of people get in and they buy $100 worth of Cronos? And, it's good math, but honestly, that would move the price massively. But we're looking for something bigger than that, right? We're looking for institutions to do it. We're not just looking for the 50 billion people that watch soccer to get into crypto and buy $100 worth of Crow. We're looking for global adoption, right? We're looking for institutions to get involved and not just buy $100 as an individual, but $100,000 as an institution to have on your balance sheet, whether that's Bitcoin or Cronos or ETH. That's what we're looking for. So this is a very exciting event. Of course, I love the idea. What if 10% of everybody, bought $100 worth of Bitcoin? What would that do to the price? It would move the price significantly, and that'd be fantastic. We'd love to see that. We'd love to see that. Another thing I wanted to shout out is why I'm so bullish, and this is part of my big plan, right? I'm talking about big moves. I'm doubling down on my crypto buying because I'm getting more and more excited for the time that we have ahead, the 2024, 2025 bull run. And here's a couple of things I'm thinking about. I do believe that anything in this list is something you should strongly consider, right? When you're talking about cryptocurrency, you're not just talking about digital currency. We're not just talking about a store of value. We're talking about an actual use case. And for Ethereum, right? Ethereum is a huge platform where people can build dApps and build the internet 2.0. And where we'll have metaverses, where we'll have decentralized finance applications for borrowing and lending. Same thing with Tron, Binance, Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Arbitrum, Optimism, Cronos. Some of these are bigger than others. I believe that Cronos is, at least in my mind, bigger than Optimism and Arbitrum. The numbers don't show that, but when you look at a marketing standpoint, I think it makes sense. A lot of things could change in the next bull run. But what I'm going to say is I'm focused on some of these players because I believe in smart contract plays. I believe in Ethereum. I believe in anything that's doing something well like Ethereum because I don't think that it just needs to be one project Ethereum end all be all. I think there's room for a lot of competitors in that space. And so my thought is, hey, maybe you don't just want to buy Cronos. Maybe you want to buy some Ethereum. Maybe you don't want to buy either of those coins. Maybe you just want to buy some Binance. Maybe you want to buy some Solana. I'm looking at buying a little bit of all these, right? You don't want to be over diversified. You got to pick what you do and do not like. I don't love Solana as much as some of the other projects, but I still think it's a little bit ignorant to count it out altogether. I think it's a fantastic project. You can see that by where its market cap is and by the total value locked up. Look, there's $30 billion locked up in Ethereum, but there's still $1.26 billion locked up in Solana. And right now there's only $711 million locked up in Cronos. But again, we're waiting for the bull market to come. When the bull market comes back around, Ethereum will go to $100 billion locked up easily. Binance will go back up to $50 billion, no problem. Cronos will go up to a couple billion, maybe 10, 20, 30, who knows, maybe even 50 billion like Binance, right? So my big plan, guys, is I'm buying the dip, right? I'm watching these markets go down today, and you see that. I mean, look at this. Over the last 7 days, everything's down double digits. Everything's down. Bitcoin is down. I'm going to go to the rank of projects here. Bitcoin's down 10%. Ethereum's down 23%. You've got Binance only down 9% actually. You've got XRP up a little bit. Shout out to the XRP Army, by the way. If you guys are an XRP Army fan, smash up the like button. XRP Army, where are you at? Sologenic token, I know about it. By the way, Sologenic, also a great project. It's a smart contract play, right? XRP has its own smart contract play. Something to keep in mind, right? Get a little bit of diversification. Start thinking about what coins you want to have into the next market, because at the end of the day, when is moon time? Moon time is coming. It's coming around the corner. It's probably 2024, probably 2025. and you want to make sure that you're accumulating on our way to that wonderful, wonderful time when we go back to the moon. That is all I got for you guys in this video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you gotta remember to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. By the way, if you want a free $4,100, you can get that from a sign-up bonus when you sign up for FEMAX utilizing the link in the description down below. If you want to open up a trade on Bitcoin, sign up for FEMAX, open up a trade, and you could get a sign-on bonus for $4,100 when you open up a trade. Check it out, guys. Have a great night. Peace.